If you want people to book time with you without the back and forth emails, Google Calendar makes it really easy to create a personal booking page. In this video, I'll show you how to set up an appointment schedule step by step. Choose your availability, pick a meeting method, and copy your personal booking link so you can share it with anyone. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once you're in Calendar, look for the Create button in the top left corner. Click it, and from the menu, select Appointment Schedule. This is the feature that lets you build a booking page where other people can reserve time on your calendar. Next, give your booking page a title. This title is what people will see when they open your booking link, so make it clear and easy to understand. For example, you might name it something like Consultation Call, Client Meeting, or Free Discovery Session. After that, set the appointment duration. This tells Google Calendar how long each booking slot should be. You can choose a shorter meeting like 15 or 30 minutes, or something longer depending on the type of appointment you want to offer. Then set your available hours. This is one of the most important parts because it controls when people can actually book you. Pick the days and times you want to make available, and make sure the schedule matches your real calendar availability. If you already have meetings or personal events on your calendar, Google Calendar will automatically avoid conflicts, which helps prevent double booking. Now, choose the meeting method. You can select Google Meet if you want to automatically generate video call links, or you can choose phone or in person, depending on how you want appointments to happen. This makes your booking page more flexible and helps people know exactly how the meeting will take place. After that, configure the booking settings. Here you can review the options and adjust details like how appointments are managed, what information people need to enter, and any other preferences that help make the schedule work better for you. Take a moment to double check everything because this is what shapes the experience for anyone booking with you. Once all of your settings look good, click Save. Google Calendar will create your appointment schedule and turn it into a personal booking page. At this point, your booking page is ready, but you still need the link so you can share it. To get that, open the appointment schedule you just created and click Share. Then select Copy Link. This copies your personal booking page URL to your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere you want. You can put it in an email, add it to your website, send it through text, or share it on social media. Once someone opens the link, they'll see your available time slots and can book a time that works for them. That's what makes this so useful. Instead of going back and forth trying to find a good time, people can simply choose a slot that's already available. It saves time, looks professional, and makes scheduling much easier for everyone. So that's how to create a personal booking page with Google Calendar. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.